In this lecture, we will study about synchronous data link control protocols, that is SDLC protocols. To download the notes, please click on the link given in the description. Although SDLC is a subset of HDLC, this SDLC was developed by IBM before HDLC, and this was the first link layer protocol based on synchronous bit-oriented operation. IBM defined SDLC for managing synchronous serially transmitted bits over a data link, and these links can be full duplex, half duplex, switched or unswitched, point to point to multi-point, or even looped. SDLC is designed for carrying SNA traffic. SNA stands for System Network Architecture. In SDLC, a link station is a logical connection between any two adjacent nodes. Only one primary link station is allowed on an SDLC line. A device can be set up as a primary or a secondary link station. A device configured as a primary link station can communicate with both PU 2.0 nodes and PU 2.1 nodes. We'll study about this PU 2.0 and 2.1 just after a few minutes, and controls the secondary devices. If the device is set up as a secondary link station, then it acts as a PU 2.0 device and can communicate with front-end processors. We'll call here on as FEP, but only communicates with the primary device when the primary allows it. That is, the primary sets up and tears down the connections and controls the secondaries. That is, the primary sets up and it controls the secondaries. Let us see what is this PU 2.0 and 2.1 nodes. When a workstation connects to a mainframe host in a hierarchical manner, it acts as a PU type 2.0. The PU type 2.1 is described as an independent node. It is independent because it is independent of a main host frame. It is not dependent on main host frame. And PU 2.0 is dependent node. In APPN configurations, the device can support negotiable links where XID frames are exchanged to decide which station is to be secondary and which is to be primary. A primary station issues commands, controls the links, and initiates error recovery. A device set up as a secondary station can communicate to a FEP, that is, front-end processors. A device which is set up as a secondary station can communicate to front-end processors, and that exists with other secondary devices on an SDLC link and exists as a secondary PU 2.0 device. This SDLC supports the line speed up to 64 kilobytes per second. This is the frame format for SDLC, which is almost identical to HDLC. You can see here, this is the flag, address, control, data, FCS, and this is again the flag. We'll study them in detail. You can see the number of bits. Flag is 8 bits, address is 8 bits, like this. Now let us see what is this flag. It begins and ends the error checking procedure with 0x7E, which is 0 111 in binary. Address. This is only the secondary address since all communication occurs via the single primary device. The address can be an individual, group, or broadcast address. Let us see what is control. Control identifies the frame's function and can be done one of the following. Information, that is I. This contains the send sequence number, which is the number of the next frame to be sent, and the receive sequence number, which is the number of the next frame expected to be received. There is also a pole final bit P by F, which performs error checking. We call it as pole final PF, which performs error checking. Supervisory bit S. This can report on status, ask for and stop transmission, and also acknowledge the iframes. Unnumbered U. This does not have sequence numbers, that's why it is called unnumbered. It can be used to start up secondaries and can sometimes have an information field. Data. This contains Path Information Unit, which is called as PIU, or Exchange Identification XID. Frame check sequence. This check is carried out on sending and receiving of the frame. This check will send and also receiving. This is carried out when it is sending and receiving the frame. In a poll, the address field identifies the station being polled in a response. The address field contains the station transmitting, so this field effectively is the station's address.